welcome back to my channel. So on this video today I'm going to be showing you people how I got these eyebrows. See, I'm looking natural look sometimes, right? So we'll be needing a Davis eye pencil, color 18 is my shade. Be needing spoolie, angle brush, blending brush, Eyebrow Pro concealer, and then a darker shade foundation from Zikel. First of all, make sure it is sharp, your eye pencil is sharp. Brush your eyebrow and then you can start. If you notice how I'm drawing my brows here, I'm taking it step by step. So the more you practice, the more you understand how to get your brow shape. So for the upper line, I'm taking from the arc point down to the tail side of my brow. You fill in, see, as I'm taking it from down to up. I didn't get to fill much because I naturally have a thick eyebrow. So depending on the kind of brows you have. So you see, just use your brush. I didn't touch the inner angle of my brow. Just use the brush to brush it in because I want to have that natural feel. So make use of our concealer for the down parts of our brow. We often go for a lighter shade. So you see me being careful because highlighting your brows is what will bring out the beauty. So you take your time. As I said earlier, practice is what will make you do this better. So when you are just starting for the first time, you might notice your hand shaking. That is fine, you are normal. So just take your time and define it well. Highlight it well so that it will come out looking clean. So you keep highlighting it. You notice I had to add more of the concealer from time to time just to make sure I highlight very well. So making use of blending brush. See, as I blend around. So take your time to blend very well. You don't want to be seeing harsh lines. Makeup is all about blending. Blend it very well so that it will come out natural. Then add the dark shade. Mix it together, dark shade of foundation. Mix it. We're now using it for the upper part of the brow. So using our angle brush again. See, as I'm picking it carefully. So this also take some time to master, depending on how often you get to do this. See, so you just keep checking out and see if it's fine by you. The arc seemed too high here, so I want a very simple look. Just spread out for easy blending. Spread it out for easy blending. See, I didn't touch the inner angle so that it will not look too much. Then you blend. So thanks for staying through all through. See, you're done. You can just add your powder and you are done. If you haven't, ensure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so as to see more videos. Thank you.